Hi, it's Anthony from CarPlayLife.com, and today we're checking out a new car vent mount for your wireless charging devices. So this is a Qi wireless charger, car charger for your phone, and it's just a simple vent mount that attaches to the back through a clip system and latch system, and you've also got the ability to drop your phone in onto the little foot at the bottom here, and it basically latches into your phone. So I'll just show you that attached in a minute, and how it works really. Nothing special to write about. It's black, it's PC and ABS material. It does output of 5 watts, 7.5 watts, 10 watts and 15 watts if your wireless device supports that. Charging distance of 0 to 6 millimeters, and it just has one screw ball joint. It has 360 rotation and some nice little fancy blue LED lights that glow up on the actual main unit itself. So let's have a look, get it attached and see how it works. So we're sitting in our Golf GTI Mark 7, and here we have the mount attached. I've put it to the very top blade because I don't like my vent mounts from dangling over the screen, and this is the highest that you can mount this. It's just a standard crocodile clip with a latch system. Unfortunately, the Golf has this kind of ridge, so any latches are really hard to latch down when you use the very top blade. So I've had to rotate it and latch it from the bottom. You can see the latch here. Just basically slide it onto the vent mount vent blade, and you just latch it across to close the crocodile jaw onto the vent blades, and then it pretty much has a very sturdy attachment. Blue little LED lights, if you can see that. I'm not quite sure when and how these go up fully. There's not really very clear on the manual either as to how you can get these at full tilt, unless these fade off and in the daylight it's harder to see. It's very easy to attach your phone. You simply drop it in like that, and then push it down slightly and it basically starts charging. As you can see here on the wireless CarLink 2.0 dongle, it's now showing that it's charging. And to release, you basically hold the side buttons and force them in, and that forces the arms out, and then you can just slide your phone out from it. Very simple to do. That's pretty much to it. It does it, it works, it charges very quickly as well. It uses USB-C on this cable here, and then it's got a very short cable, so that's not a very good design. I think another 50 centimeters would have done here, and it just goes into a USB-A socket here into your car to power it, and that's pretty much it really. Wireless charging. Oh, you can also rotate it very easily, and it seems to stay in place without moving about, and that's pretty much it. Check out CarPlayLife.com for our full review soon, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers. Bye.